So guys, to start off with, I'm going to use a word bar soap with a spoolie to brush up my brows. The pencil that I'm using the brown pencil, the brown eyebrow pencil. You want to use the brown eyebrow pencil to underline your underneath and your top of your brows, to give your brows a shape. You want to underline your underneath of your brows and the top of your brows to give it a shape. After that, you want to fill in your brows in strokes, and then you want to use the spoolie. You're gonna use the spoolie to brush your brows. When you are brushing your brows, you want to brush your brows upwards. Don't brush your brows sideways. The next step, I am going to use the concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Essence concealer in the color Golden Toffee. So you want to like conceal the line that you draw with your brown eyebrow pencil. You want to conceal that line so that it will give your brows a perfect shape. So I am concealing my underneath. The next step, you want to use a brush. You can use a brush, the fluffy brush, or you can use the flat brush to blend your concealer. So I'm blending my concealer with a fluffy brush. Now the next step, I'm concealing the other brows. Now the next step, you want to use the concealer that is same that is that has the same shade as your skin tone. So you want to use that one on top of your brows to give it a shape. You can also on top of your brows also follow your line that you drew. So yeah, it's very important to follow the line so that your brows will look put together. Your brows will look perfect. So the next step, I am going to use the concealer to conceal my eyelids. Before applying any eyeshadow, it's very important to conceal your eyelids. You can conceal your eyelids using the concealer, or you can conceal your eyelid using a eye primer. So I'm concealing my eyelid using the Essence concealer, the one that I was using concealing my brows. The next step, you wanna set your lids. You wanna set your eyelids. I'm setting my eyelids using the press powder to set my eyelids. I'm using that a shade from the Revlon eyeshadow palette for my crease. For is it? Yeah, for so I'm using that color to blend the top of my lid. So the secret word makeup is blending. You guys, you need to blend your makeup so that it will look perfect. You need to give yourself time to blend your makeup. Okay, so I'm blending that color on top of the upper part of my lid. I'm blending that color. Yeah, guys, so you need to blend, and then take a product little by little. Don't take too much product at the time. You need to build your product. You need to build the color. You need to take little product at the time and apply on your lids little by little until you achieve the perfect color that you want to achieve. Blend. I'm going back to the Revlon palette, and I'm going to take that pinkish color, and I am going to apply on top of the shade that I applied before. So yeah, you wanna apply it on top of right next to your brows. You wanna apply right next to your brows. For my outer corner, I'm using the purple shade from the same palette, from the same Revlon palette. I took the purple shade for my outer corner. So yeah, for my inner corner, I am using the yellow shades from the Signature palette. So yeah, this one you wanna pack it. You wanna pack it on your inner corner. On your inner corner, guys, it's so important to use a shimmery shade or a brighter shade on your inner corner. So I'm taking this yellow shade on my inner corner. You wanna move it until the corner of your crease, yeah, on till the corner of your crease line. I think that is clear. Okay, and you need to place it like that. On my crease, I'm using the orange shade from the Carnival palette from Signature to blend on my crease. Next step, I am using the eyeliner, the Essence eyeliner, to make a wing, to create a wing. So I love this eyeliner, guys, because it is a brush. So when you are drawing, it's easy to draw with this eyeliner because it's so soft, and then it's like a brush. So I love this eyeliner. It's easy to use it. I love this eyeliner, so I'm going to create the wing with this eyeliner. So I'm done with my eyes now. I've put my lashes. I'm moving on to the concealer. So today's, guys, I'm going to contour my face before putting the foundation. So I'm using the concealer that I was using on my lids to conceal or to highlight. Is it conceal or to conceal my under eye, my forehead, and nose, and all those shenanigans. So you want to blend your concealer with the damp beauty blender, the damp beauty blender. So I'm blending it with the damp beauty blender. So when you are blending your under eye, I feel like it's easy when you are looking up, when you look up, so that the concealer will just get right into your under eye. So you want to blend, you want to dab. Do not swipe, just dab, so that your concealer will look seamless. So yeah, I finished blending my concealer. Now I'm contouring my face using the foundation. So I forgot the name of the foundation that I was using, but this is the foundation. I'm contouring my face using the darker shade, the foundation in a darker shade. So you wanna conceal, you can use a foundation, you can use a concealer, you can also use only powder to contour your face. So now I'm contouring my nose. I'm using this brush, fluffy brush, to blend my contour. So yeah guys, you want to blend it downward, blend your contour downwards. Okay, I'm using the red rouge to as my blush, to put it as my blush. I'm using the red rouge as my blush. So you want to blend it, you want to put all your like foundation, concealers, all the words stuff like first before putting powders. So the next step, I'm going to put my foundation. The foundation that I'm using is a Essence foundation in the color toffee, I think, in the color toffee. So you want to blend the foundation on places where you didn't put concealer. So yeah, now you want to blend, you want to set your under eye with the powder. So you want to set, I'm setting my under eye with the pressed powder. All the places that I highlighted, I am setting it with the pressed powder. And the next step, I'm using this powder to set where I contour. So I'm using this powder to set my contour. So yeah, the places where I put my dark foundation, I'm gonna set with this setting powder. The next step, I'm gonna line my lips using the Essence eyeliner, the red Essence eyeliner to line my lips. So yeah, actually I am going to just put my eyeliner, my Is it my eyeball? Why I'm saying eyeliner? Sorry guys, I am using the lip liner. So the lip liner that I'm using is from the Essence. Sorry guys to say the eyeliner. This is the lip liner that I am using, the red lip liner. So I'm going to apply this lip liner all over my lips. Yeah, I'm going to apply it all over my lips. See how cute it look. So yeah, you wanna apply it all over your lips. The next step, I'm going to take this color and apply on top of the eye. Why you keep saying eyeliner? I'm going to take this color and apply it on top of the lip liner. Okay, like that. This color is the same color that I was using as the blush. So you want to blend it like that. I'm using the pink shade as a blush, not as a blush. This is a blush in the color, I don't know what color. This is a pink blush, so I'm going to take the pink blush and use it. Yeah, next step guys, you want to set your face. I'm using this setting spray to set my face. The next step, you want to highlight. This step I like. I love this step. It puts my makeup together and give it that thing, you know, that thing. So yeah, I love highlighting my face. Yeah, I need to highlight your face, your nose. Yeah guys, you need to highlight. This is the final look. Hope you enjoy this video. This is how I managed to come out with this look.